This 2025 Keystone Residence 40CLDL is a destination trailer RV. It is located in Clermont, New Jersey, 08210 and is offered for sale by Driftwood RV Center. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a graphite interior, sleeps 8, slide-out, and 53 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this destination trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, rear bath, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Driftwood RV Center.